and the thanks you have given me. It just there's no way to return back to you. I'll always keep in my heart, and it will be always there. Whenever it will be ups and downs in life, it will always give me the strength and the belief which will be there with me forever. You have cherished me the way I never even imagined myself. You are extremely, I am blessed and thank God that I got something such a nice that which I would have never imagined, and so it makes me so hard to leave. Amazing students and being recognized and having that gratitude and getting that being part of your dreams is the most important part of is worth living and is the most fulfilling thing in my entire life. Changing life is the most important part of anyone's life. Education is about changing lives, and I'm doing that purpose, and I'm very grateful that I've been that opportunity given to experience such a wonderful students and the human being and the kids, which I can't believe I have it again. I hope, but I can't believe that it can get any better than this. Teaching can any get better than this, and the experience, the joy I get out of it, I can't imagine anything else, and it is next to none. I sleep well, I wake up early, and it's just something which is so fulfilling. And when I look back, it just gives me, my passion never dies. It becomes more and more and more. So it has always gone more, one more step, one more step, one more step. So being part of your life and letting me be part of your life is the most important and most valuable thing I have, and is an asset of the best asset of the memory I have. And I try my best, and you admire that and you recognize that. That is amazing. And I'm very grateful to God to give me this opportunity that makes me feel so valuable. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best for the future. And I will be always your teacher regardless what.
Good for that.